Hello students, now we will continue exercise 3.3 and we will start question number 2. In question number 2, all questions or all sub questions are word problems. In word problems, first understand the question properly, read the question properly, and then as per given conditions form the equations. Equations will be in linear equations in two variables. Solve those two equations. I suggest you to solve all the equations or all the questions by elimination method. Again, I will tell you that in the exam, if the method by which the equations are to be solved is not asked, then definitely you will try to solve the equation by elimination method only. So it will be very simpler method, as well as it will save you or it will save your time. So we will start question number 1, that is question number 2 matlab sub question 1. It is related to fraction. So we have solved such questions in previous exercise. Here the same question or same type of question will be solved by elimination method. So question number 2, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. Sub question 1, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Reduces to 1 means fraction becomes 1. So that is first condition, and it becomes 1 upon 2. That means the fraction will be 1 upon 2 if you only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So first understand or remember that when there is a fraction related to, when there is a question related to fraction, so don't assume that the fraction is this. No, only you have to assume numerator is x and denominator is y. Then the fraction is x upon y. So first we need to write numerator x and denominator y, then apply two conditions, form two linear equations in two variables, solve those equations by elimination method. You will get x and you will get y. What is x? Numerator. And what is y? Denominator. If numerator is 3 and denominator is 5, then the fraction is 3 upon 5. So as per the question. So we will start question number 1. Answer. So first thing is, let numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore required fraction is x upon y. Now the first condition. From first condition, first condition, if numerator is 1 is added to numerator, that means previous numerator is x, and if you add 1 to the numerator, it will be x plus 1. If you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, so original denominator is y, and if you subtract 1, then it will be y minus 1. Then the fraction reduces to fraction reduces to 1, that is 1 upon 1, or only 1. You can write only 1. Now here is equals to sign च्या लेफ्टला फ्रॅक्शन आहे, राईटला पण 1 आहे, that is 1 upon 1 आहे ते. So we can cross multiply it. So x plus 1 as it is equals to 1 into y minus 1. So this is cross multiplication. So x plus 1 as it is equals to 1 into bracket is bracket only, y minus 1. Now transfer this y here and plus 1 there. So it will be x minus y is equals to minus 1 as it is, and this plus 1 will be minus 1. So x minus y is equals to minus 2. Now we got the equation as per our requirement. Now number it as equation number 1. Now from second condition, what is second condition? It becomes 1 upon 2 if you only add 1 to the denominator. Denominator la 1 add करायचा. That means y plus 1 and numerator is as it is, that is x. Don't change the numerator, only add 1 to the denominator. The fraction will be 1 upon 2. Check it again, the condition. Fraction becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Now cross multiplication, 2 into x is 2x is equals to 1 into y plus 1 is y plus 1. Transfer this y here, 2x minus y is equals to 1, equation number 2. Now we got equation 1 and equation 2. Now solve those two equations by elimination method. X minus y is equals to minus 2, equation number 1, and 2x minus y is equals to 1, equation number 2. Write the proper, don't make any silly mistake. Look at the signs. X minus y is equals to minus 2. Second equation is 2x minus y is equals to 2. Now see, here already coefficient of y are equal. There is 1 here and 1 are here. So don't need to change the coefficient or to multiply any equation by any number. So it is already there. Only look at the sign. Here the sign of the y is minus and here also it is minus. So we cannot eliminate if we do not change the sign. So we need to change the sign of y. So it will be plus y. Now if you change the value of sign of one term, I need to change the signs of other terms also. So 2x is plus 2x, it will be minus 2x and it will be minus 1. Now this y plus y and this minus y. बदललेले चिन्ह विचारात घ्यायचे. So now y is plus y and this y is minus y. So minus y plus y cancel. X minus 2x will be minus x plus 0 is equals to minus 3. So minus x is equals to minus 3. So x is equals to 3. Put x is equals to 3 in equation 1. X minus y is equals to minus 2. So 3 minus y is equals to minus 2. Minus y is equals to minus 2 minus 3. So minus y is equals to minus 5. So y is equals to 5. Again remember that we have found x and y. I need to write final answer because the question is word problem. I need to final answer in the words only, in the sentence only. Otherwise you will lose 1 mark. So what is x here? X is numerator and y is denominator. So I can write therefore numerator is x, denominator is numerator is x, that is 3, and denominator is y, that is 5. Therefore final answer, required fraction is 3 upon 5. So this is our final answer. Now we will start sub question 2. Question number 2. I will read the question first. Read the question very carefully, understand it, and then form the questions, equations, solve those equations. You will find the values of x and y. Okay, so I will read. It is related to age. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 वर्षापूर्वी नुरीचं वय सोनूच्या वयाच्या तिप्पट होतं. म्हणजे नुरी मोठी आहे. नुरीचं वय सोनूच्या वयाच्या तिप्पट होतं. याचा अर्थ नुरीचं वय जास्त आहे. 10 years later means after. 10 वर्षानंतर नुरी विल बी ट्वाइस ॲज ओल्ड ॲज सोनू. सोनूच्या वयाच्या डबल होणार ती 10 वर्षानंतर. हाऊ ओल्ड आर नुरी अँड सोनू. सो प्रेझेंट एज आपण एक्स आणि वाय मानूया आणि कंडिशन्स अप्लाय करूया. सो वी विल स्टार्ट द आन्सर. लेट प्रेझेंट एज ऑफ नुरी बी x years and that of Sonu is y years. Now see, first condition, काय फर्स्ट कंडिशन. इकडे मी नुरी लिहितो आणि इकडं सोनू. नुरी पण कंडिशन कधीची आहे. 5 years ago. सो 5 years ago नुरी विल बी x minus 5 and सोनू विल बी y minus 5. 5 वर्षापूर्वीचं वय नुरीचं x minus 5 असणार आणि सोनूचं y minus 5 वर्ष असणार. नाउ व्हॉट इज द कंडिशन. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So equate these two. या दोघांच्या वयाची जर मला इक्वेट करायचं असेल तर आय नीड टू मल्टिप्लाय. सोनूच्या एजला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. आय नीड टू मल्टिप्लाय एज ऑफ सोनू बाय 3, दॅट इज थ्राइस. सो 3 into y minus 5. Then it is equal. If it is not multiplied by 3, it will not be equal. So this is Nuri. 5 years ago Nuri will be x minus 5 years and Sonu was y minus 5, but they are not equal. But to form the equation I need to equate them, and to equate them I need to multiply age of Sonu by 3. Now solve this. X minus 5 is equals to 3y minus 15. Now transfer minus 5 there and 3y here. X minus 3y is equals to minus 15 plus 5. So we'll give you minus x minus 3y is equals to minus 10. Equation number 1. Now what is second condition. After Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. After how many years? 10 years. So 10 years Nuri will be x plus 10 and Sonu will be y plus 10. But they are not same, and to equate them I need to multiply the age of Nuri by 2, because it is twice the Nuri's age will be twice the age of Sonu. So this is the condition. After 10 years, see, present age is एक नुरीचं x वर्ष आहे तो 10 वर्षानंतर x + 10 होणार आणि सोनूचं y + 10 होणार. बट दे आर नॉट इक्वल. आय नीड टू इक्वेट देम टू फॉर्म द इक्वेशन. सो फ्रॉम गिवन कंडिशन द Nuri will be twice the age of Sonu. So multiply the age of Sonu by 2. So x + 10 is equals to 2y + 20. So transfer this 2y here. X minus 2y is equals to 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y is equals to 10. Equation number 2. Now solve these two equations by elimination method. Write two equations once again. X minus 3y is equals to minus 10, equation number 1, and x minus 2y is equals to 10, equation number 2. Check once again these equations. X + 10 is equals to 2y + 20. Transfer this 10 there. 20 minus 10, 2y will be minus. So x minus 2y is equals to 10. Now the coefficient of x already 1 आहे, same आहे. So I need to change the sign only. Minus, plus and minus. So x minus x will be 0. Now minus 3y plus 2y is minus y is equals to minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. So minus y is equals to minus 20. So y is equals to 20. So सोनूचं y आलेलं आहे 20 years. Now put this y is equals to 20 in equation 2. Put y is equals to 20 in equation 2. X minus 2y is equals to 10. X minus 2 into 20 is equals to 10. So x minus 40 is equals to 10. So x is equals to 10 plus 40. So x is equals to 50. Now final answer. What is x? X is age of Nuri, and what is y? Age of Sonu. So therefore present age of Nuri is equals to 50 years. Present age of Sonu is equals to 20 years. So don't forget to highlight the answers. This ends sub question number 2. Now remaining questions we will solve in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.